Hi guys, it's Wes from Trendy Startups. Today I'm going to show you how to download all Facebook information. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to download all Facebook information. So let's get started. So guys, to download all Facebook information, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now simply type in search bar Facebook and simply press enter. Simply click on first link. So guys, here you can see our Facebook homepage. So after that, you can see account option at the top right corner of the page. So simply click on it. Now in this option, you can see the option of settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now here you can see the option of settings. So click on settings. Now in settings, you can see the option of privacy. So click on privacy. Now in privacy, you can see the option of your Facebook information. So click on your Facebook information. And here you can see the option of download profile information. So simply click on it. Now from here, you can select the format HTML and media quality high. I selected high. Now data range. So I'm going to select last week. You can select any of them which you want. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of request a download. So before click on it, here you can see the option of start your download. Your download may contain private information. You should keep it secure and take precautions when storing it, sending it or uploading it to another service. So click on request a download. So guys, here you can see a copy of your information is being created. So guys, as you can see written, you can only make one download request at a time. So means that we have created our download request. So guys, as you can see, we have download all Facebook information. So you can also download all Facebook information by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.